Hi, this is Sundas Dilavar. I have done BS Honors in Computer Science. I got an opportunity to pursue this course that is started by Sir Shahbaz. This course was about Python, data analytics, machine learning, and web development. I really appreciate Sir Shahbaz that he took this great initiative for the students of his country so that they can get enrolled in this free course and to get the highly paid jobs in Python, data sciences, and machine learning. I also encourage girls to get enrolled in such courses. I liked how statistical concepts were used in exploratory data analysis, that is EDA, and data modification, how pandas was used to get data ready to apply machine learning algorithm after processing. First, we were introduced to the basic statistical concepts, that is mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation, and how they are used for data interpretation and manipulation. For example, in case of missing values. Then I liked the data visualization by using box plot. Here you can see box plot and histograms and how these plots can be used for identifying outliers and for data processing. Then I liked how pandas is used for data modification, for example, changing data types, uh, categorical variables uh, to numbers and data standardization in feature engineering. I also liked how data visualization helps to see the imbalance in data um, that can have an impact in machine learning results. I also liked how machine learning algorithms are applied on data processed by using pandas and statistics. So you can see this graph also in this slide. EDA is exploratory data analysis, and it is a method of analyzing data sets to understand their main characteristics. These are the algorithms that are used in data sciences, or you can say the pandas. The functionality of the algorithms is shown in this slide. The time series, there are two things in that is additive decomposition and multiplicative decomposition. The additive model is useful when the seasonal variation is relatively constant over time, but the multiplicative model is useful when the seasonal variation increases over time. So these are the things I like in data sciences. Thank you so much.